Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can redeem a gift card in the Apple Store on, well, your iPhone. I will use the iPhone 15 Pro for that, but you can follow these steps on like every other iPhone. We bought a Apple gift card and, well, this is what the gift card looks like. We will go ahead, open it, and then redeem it in the App Store. So we need to rip off that part here. And then pull that out here. This is the card now. I actually think that the design is really pretty. And now we need to go ahead and go to our App Store. Here we need to go to our account, and now we need to go to redeem gift card or code. Pretty obvious. And now redeem your gift card using your camera. This requires a gift card with a box around the code. From online purchases, scan the code to redeem into your Apple account or use the code at any Apple store. Right, so we have a code with a box around, and we can say to use the camera or enter the code manually. So I will say use camera. Then that went pretty quick actually, just scanned it. So now we need to sign in, and I guess that's our Apple ID password. And now 10 euros added to your Apple account. Our balance is 40, so we have an overview here. And now we could say to enjoy 2 free months of Apple TV and purchase that. And now we can go to our account and see our credit here, 40 euros. And now if we would try to redeem this gift card again, use camera, I'll put that here again. Then it says this code has already been redeemed. Now you could go ahead and like do in-app purchases, you could buy apps, or whatever else. But that's how you can redeem a Apple gift card in the App Store. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.